I'm just grinding in a little point on my pickeroon so it's sharper. The other side. That'll do it. Okay, so we've done the stressful main burn on Friday and it's Sunday now. I'm just doing the last little few logs which are half burnt. So I've got my tools here, my pickeroon, which I really like. I made it myself out of an axe. Just sharpened it with the angle grinder. Just a cheap Bunnings axe, but check out the prices of official pickeroons on eBay. You know, won't get much change from $200. Chainsaw if I need it, a drip torch if I need to reignite them, but there's little flames in places, and nice little breeze blowing it off the road, northerly wind blowing, so it should be straightforward. The pickeroon, I'll show it in action, it's quite handy at times. See logs like this, they're half burnt on the ground and they're quite long. I'm going to cut them up with a chainsaw and drag them into a pile, especially near the letterbox where it's quite visible, and it'll just be a nice, neat finish. Apart from that, I'm quite happy with how it burnt down. So handling a log like this, it's just half burnt, you know, you don't want to burn your hands, you don't want to get dirty, so just stab it in the end and walk. What to do. There's a good one. Drag it over in a pile. It's already burning. And the usual crisscross pattern, and create a little fire next to a green tree that's not going to burn. So I'll show you again. So it's basically stab and drag. I'll stab in the top. You can do top of the side like that. I'll just walk backwards and show you. Get a decent, so this is a few metres long, maybe 3 metres. Probably weighs 50 kilos or something. Or 30 kilos at least. Take it over to this pile. Then it's just a simple release. So that's the stump. This little blue gum. So it's not too long, about 2 to 3 metres, but the heaviest bit obviously being the stump. Just stab and drag. Don't even have to touch it. Two hands. So pretty straightforward. Little pile to burn for now, and a bigger pile for later. Just half burnt logs, and then it should be quite neat and tidy. Keep going the next hour or two. Rusty's happy sleeping in the car. Keep your paws cool. Getting there slowly. I've been walking back and forth with sticks for the last hour and a half or so. I aim to light this one up about 3 PM. Just keep this little one going. With more sticks. I've got everything large diameter enough for this pickeroon. And then it's just a matter of using my hands and gloves. I'm quite satisfied how it's looking. Quite neat. Okay, I was telling myself 3 o'clock, but it's 2 o'clock and it's not too windy. I think I can light this up now. It's not like it's going to catch fire around it. It's already burnt. So, drip torch on. Mainly big logs this, that'll take a bit to get going. I haven't got many sticks under here. So about 10 centimetre diameter thereabouts. I lighted a few spots. There's these long bits sticking out, won't burn, and I have to throw them into the middle. After an hour I'll just hang around for another hour. Get this up and going. Downwind of it here, it's not very pleasant. Righto. One more spot. I'm just going to give it a bit of a shake, get some fuel out. That's good. The way I put it out is just blowing it. See, out. So for neatness sake, I kick the logs from the outside into the guts of the fire. Get around it. This half burnt tree. This tree branch. Not sure it all gets gobbled up by the fire. And this one's only just starting to get going. There weren't many leaves. Got a lot of debris to start it, so I had to have a second go with the drip torch, but it's going now. I'll hang around till about 3. Dad will have to get the tractor going, but I've got water in the tractor ready to go if I need it. But it's up near the house. The old asbestos shack. Alright. Almost need a beer. I haven't even had a non-alcohol beer for months. But rainwater's good. This is the bottle my sister gave me. Got my name and number on it. Engraved as a Christmas gift from my sister, very nice. So, pretty much done here. I'm just going to watch it burn down a little bit and head on home. So thanks for watching. I'll try to get better at doing these videos and make it more entertaining, but yeah, the first day was quite stressful doing the full burn. Today's more relaxing and just time consuming. But cheerio. Glad I hung around because it got into the paddock a bit here, the dry leaves, so I'll just put that out and go home. Thankfully we've got this dam nearby. Only had a couple of litres in my 5 litre spray. I used that, so continue on. This fence I just replaced last year. These are 20-year-old vineyard posts. So just got to hop this barbed wire. Bear with me a minute. Right, up and over, and then put out this fire. I don't want it to get into these blue gums here because I don't really feel like putting out more fires this year. But 5 litre sprayer goes a long way. Yeah. So 2.5 litres to put it out, but I'll probably use another few litres just to wet it down and kick the leaves away from the edge of it. That works. Well, I decided to get the tractor going again just to soak it down properly and hopefully rest easy tonight knowing it's soaking wet, not burning. Okay, home time. Not even sure if this GoPro is working anymore. It's not behaving normally. It's not beeping and things like that. But the record's going. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye now.